Hey everyone, welcome to Windy Studio, and again I'm back with another Photoshop tutorial. Finally we crossed 30k subscriber, and thank you so much guys for showing your love and support on my channel. And if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel. And also if you are looking for this PST file, this will be available on my Patreon. And again I would like to thank all of my Patreon supporters for showing their support on my Patreon. And with that note, let's dive into the video. So first thing first, let's create an artboard. So for that, press Ctrl and N, or you can go to File, click on New, and then click on New Document. So you can do that too. So for now, I'll just go with 4:5, resolution to 300, color mode to RGB, bitrate to 16, and let's keep the rest as default. And let's click on Create. And right after that, let's create a background gradient, and I will just go with this color. And also for the bottom part, let's make it a little darker. Yep, something like that. Yep, kind of like that. And then yep, something like that. And let's click on OK. And right after that, let's drag and drop this PNG right over here, and let's make it a little smaller. Ctrl T, and let's keep it maybe somewhere around here. Alright, and then after that, let's drag and drop another image right over here, and again I'll keep it under this layer. Ctrl T sorry, Control T, and let's make it a little smaller. And let's see, let's keep it just like so. And then let's click on that layer max, go to brush, and make sure the color is black, and I'll just remove those parts just like so. And then after that, let's drag and drop another image. So let's see at this one, let's drag and drop this image right over here, and let's keep it on top. Control T, let's make it a little smaller. Yep, just like so. Or maybe let's make him a little taller. Yep, just like that. And let's create one more layer, and go to brush, and let's add a little contact shadow on the bottom. So for that, let's squeeze the brush just like that, and then let's drop down the opacity just around here, and I think this looks good to me. And let's erase some of these parts. I think it's too big. Yep, let's keep it like that. And after that, let's drag and drop this image right over here. Yes, Control T, let's make it a little smaller, or maybe some more. Yep, just like that. And then let's make a copy of this image. Control J, and let's move it on top. And then let's go to the layer max, go to brush, and let's make the brush a default brush, and let's erase some of these parts. Yep, and from the bottom one, let's reveal that sky from the bottom. So yep, let's keep it let's reveal those parts. From here, yep, let's remove these parts. Yep, let's keep it just like so. And then let's go on very top, let's add a new layer, and go to brush, and then let's go for a cloud brush. And if you are looking for the brush link is on the description list below. Please check on it. Yep, let's go for this one, and let's change the color to white. And let's go for another brush. Let's go for this one. Let's create a one more layer on top, and let's add one right over here, and let's see. Okay, let's go for this brush, and let's make it a little bigger. Let's keep it like that, and let's add some rotation just to give some variation. Yep, let's create a new layer. Yep, and let's go on very top. Let's go for this one, and let's drag and drop this logo right over here, and let's make it a little smaller. Control T, and let's keep it right over here. And let's go on very bottom. Let's create a new layer. Go to brush, and I'll just go with a default brush for now, and let's change it to kind of darker color just to add a shadow on the bottom. Control T, let's squeeze it, and let's add a shadow right over here. Now let's create one more layer on very top with the same color. Let's add right over here, and let's drop down the opacity just like so. And let's create one more layer. Go to edit, go to fill. Let's fill it with 50% gray. Let's change the blending mode to soft light, and from here let's do some dodge and burn. So I'll just go with burn tool. Let's burn on the bottom just to give some contrast on the bottom, and just like so. And then let's drop the opacity some more. Yep, just like that. And the same let's do for the shadow too. Let's drop down the opacity some more. And for the bottom gradient, let's change the color to a little lighter. I think this is too dark. Yep, let's keep it maybe something like that. And let's add a color LUT. So go over here, click on lookup, and from here click on load, and I'll just go with my mood LUT. So select this one and click on load. So this is what we got. And from the layers, let's add a curve. So usually what I like to do is lift up my shadow just like that, and then let's increase the highlights somewhere around here, and let's keep it maybe somewhere over here. And for the logo, let's bring it on top. Yep, let's keep it like that, and let's add some text. And let's add a gradient. Let's add a texture on very top, and let's change the blending mode to screen. Control T, let's make it a little smaller, or you know what, like let's change it to soft light, I guess. Yeah, and let's drop down the opacity a little down. And again, let's for the lookup too, let's drop down the lookup percentage, maybe somewhere around here. 70 looks good to me. And let's change the blending mode to screen, and Control T. Let's make it just like so. So that's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.